right? So this is the most important part. We need to do it very, very nicely. Get ready for it, please. Very good. So now look here. What we are going to do that I am explaining you need to start this one. The questions are very important and we need to start from the basic level and we need to finish these questions very, very nicely. So get ready for it. Okay. Okay, beta. So now look here. I started Sharmila inform today very important session and most important questions. So electricity, this is first revision where I am teaching you how to attempt questions and how to write the perfect answers of electricity chapter. First question is name and define the SI unit of current. This question came in CBSE 2019. Okay, name and define the SI unit of current. Question is name and define SI unit of current. So how we are going to solve this question to get full mark? Okay, Tanish, good evening. Today very important class for you will be there 7:15. If you can come offline, I need to talk to you something. It's very, very important. Okay. So some talks are there. We need to discuss and make some strategy for final 60 days. Okay, beta. Just meet me personally. If possible, try to come. If tomorrow computer exam is there for you, means you stay in home and practice. Okay, so these two options are there, right? So now, beta, how to write it? So now, presentation and writing the perfect answer is need of the hour. So how we are going to present in board examination? Like I am writing board examination, and this question came for 2 marks for me. Only 2 marks. This question came for me. Now, how I am going to write science answer? That is the most important. So first they said name and define SI unit of current. So I will write in the same format what format they have asked me the question. So the answer will be, I will put answer and I will say SI unit of current. Understood? And then we will write ampere. Presentation counts a lot. Understood? Yes, I'll send. I'll send. Okay. Along with what you call the playlist, everything I'm sending. Yes. But I need to talk to you something personally. You message me, I'll contact you. Now, beta, okay. SI unit of current is what, beta? Ampere. Spelling you keep correct. And then you write beta A. This is what? Ampere and A. Now, after that, you take write like this. SI unit of current is ampere A. Now, after that, you give one line gap and then you write definition. Understood? So, definition. So if definition they are asking, then only define. Okay, inform everyone. Important part we are going to discuss, and that part very nicely defined. That 1 ampere is defined as 1 ampere. Very clearly write 1 ampere is defined as 1 ampere is defined as the flow of 1 coulomb charge, the flow of 1 coulomb charge, 1 understood, 1 coulomb understood, the flow of 1 coulomb charge, 1 coulomb of charge in 1 second, understood, or per second. Got it? And then finally we will block it. How we are going to block it? 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb of charge by 1 second. And this is presentation. Understood? So this is the way we are going to solve the answers. Did you solve this thing? And when I was writing, I will with pencil, I will write like this and I will underline these 2 points. Understood? So these are the 2 highlighted points. 1 coulomb charge per second. So this is a way of writing. Got it? So definition is coming as 1 ampere is defined as, see, is it everything highlighted coming? So less effort, presentation intact, and our answer is ready. Got it? Now next question. When is the potential difference? Get ready for the next question. See, because we have to do many questions in the electricity chapter, one by one. So nearly 4 or 5 series questions we will make. Understood? So now, right, next question, get ready for it. Question is, when is the, see, this is CBSE 2020 question. The next question which I am giving you is CBSE 2020 questions. Those who are okay. Now please remember this. When is the potential difference between 2 points? When is the potential difference between 2 points? When is the potential difference? Inform Blessing School students. I am going to take them out of group. Today their social exam is over. Now what exam next they are having? Why they are not joining? Main exams are over for them now. So right, when is the potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor said to be 1 volt? 2 points in a current carrying conductor, in a current carrying conductor, in a current carrying conductor is said to be 1 volt. In a current carrying conductor, when they are having double exam, in a current carrying conductor is said to be 1 volt. Now this is a complete open question. When is the, so you know that they are not interested here and there. They are only interested in getting the precise answer. When is the potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor is said to be 1 volt? When 1 joule of work is done per coulomb. Correct now? But this answer we cannot write. Got it? So they will not give us full mark. 100% they will not be giving us full mark because our statement is not complete. So we need to first complete the statement. So how we are going to complete the statement? Listen very carefully. Got it? Right? First, answer. In that answer, your pattern should be very clear cut. So when it is going to be set as 1 volt, right? When 1 joule of work, only like what they asked. From where they finished the question, now we have to start our answer from that point. This is the basic rule of any examination. Any question, I ask you, what is your name? Yes, correct na? So here what they ask, when it is 1 volt. So I am going to start from when. I am going to start from when. When 1 joule, right, and underline. Understood? When 1 joule work is done, see as a student I am writing the answer. When 1 joule work is done to move a unit charge from one point to another from one point to another, then PD is said to be 1 volt. Got it? That means how we have defined, we have underlined. See, when 1 joule work is said to move a unit charge, underline. Two very important points were there. And that, yes, absolutely correct, Vishwa. From today, full chapter by chapter. Each chapter, 3 days we are doing. Devotion now we are doing. What is the meaning of devotion here is, we are totally devoting into the most important questions of electricity chapter, and how many series this classes will be possible we will make to encounter all the questions of electricity. Understood? So now listen, I will not listen anything. Two chapters parallelly I will take together. In maths I am starting AP, and in science I am starting electricity. So these two topics I am taking together. Got it? So now in this playlist we are making, so that the playlist will become very important for you before examination. And once 3-4 days are over, we are going to conduct one test. Got it? Get ready. So now beta, to move a unit positive charge from one point to another point. So that means what beta? What we can say, 1 volt. Finish it nicely. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb. This is the most important point, and then you underline it. Make a box of this. So we underline two important things: 1 joule, 1 unit charge, a unit charge, and then we wrote like this. In shortcut, 1 volt is equal to 1 joule by 1 C. So these two things we are going to write. So this is called as highlighted answers. And after highlighting the answer, you are supposed to make a box in that. Boxing a question answer is going to give you confidence that you have written the sure short answers. And then you understood now. So this is the way to proceed with physics question. This is the second 2-mark question we have encountered. Understood? Now the third question. Get ready for it, please. Write the function of voltmeter in an electric circuit, and your time starts now. You can type the answer and send me. I will read your answers. So type the answer once my question is over. Write the function. Write the function of voltmeter in electric circuit EC. And this question came in CBSE 2019. So CBSE 2019 question is this one. Every question I will tell you the, thank you for liking the class. Nobody is now used to like my classes. What is this? So what is the function of voltmeter? What is the function of voltmeter? What is the function of voltmeter? Answer. What is the function of voltmeter? Is my voice audible? Answer. I wrote the question, answer it. Very good. I got a very concrete answer from Maha. But Maha, presentation A. What is the question? The question is write the function of voltmeter. The function of voltmeter is function of voltmeter. You see how I am presenting my answer. Function of voltmeter. They asked me function of voltmeter. As a topper, how I am going to write? It measures the potential difference of electric circuit. That's it. How was the answer? Understood now? And presentation is to the point. Got it? Function of potential difference, it measures the potential difference across 2 points in a circuit, or it measures the potential difference of electric circuit. You can say across 2 points of a circuit also, or like this also. So I write potential difference of 2 terminal, 2 point. Understood? So write this point, potential difference across 2 points of EC or in a circuit. See, how was my presentation? The presentation is I did not 2 marks question. I saved so much of time. Correct now? And after writing, it measures PD. Underline. So anyone who is not knowing anything also, they know how to now answer the question. Did you got my point, children? How you are going to write the examination? Come on, say. Huh? See, most important is in science you have to rule the paper. You have to write in such a way that the person who is correcting your paper should be like, oh my God, this is the best answer I have got. Like that. So to measure the potential difference across 2 points in a circuit. Perfect. To the point answer, no here and there. Got it? To the point answer, no here and there. Now go for second. Means they can't cut your answer, like that you have to do. And presentation has to be bang on. Correct now? We'll go for next answer. Children, are you all ready for this? Now, right? Should the resistance of a voltmeter be low or high? Give reason. Should the resistance of a voltmeter be low or high? Should the resistance of voltmeter be low or high? Give reason. Oh my God, they asked give reason. Now we are going to give a very precise reason. I am waiting for your answer. Give reason. I want the very best answer. Type and give me. This is 2 mark question, so you can type and give me, but give me the best possible answer. Let's see who is going to give the best perfect answer. Huh? This high is not the word. Only high is not the word. I want a very best answer. High means should the resistance of a voltmeter be high or low? Give reason. Here, see, high or low means answer when I am writing as a student. I am going to write my answer. As a student, what I write? First part of the question. Should the resistance of a voltmeter be high or low? So I write first part, resistance of a voltmeter must be high. After writing high, I will underline it. Understood. So now all the people, those who are checking my paper, they know that the first part answer I have written. They asked high or low. I underlined and highlighted that the resistance should be high. Understood. Now the second part, give reason. So here you write reason. See how is presentation now? Is it coming clear cut now? Now look here, beta. I wrote reason. I did not wrote any unwanted answer. I wrote only reason. Science means I should be very precise, pakka. Why? Because or so or any part you can write, the resistance of voltmeter should be high so that, now here you write statement. The resistance of voltmeter should be high so that negligible, understood not? So that negligible current wait, I'll read your answer beta. Negligible current passes through it okay, and now I'm going to underline negligible current. Negligible current passes through it and it can measure the current value. Negligible is very less amount. Understood. And it can measure the current value. So I'm reading the resistance of voltmeter is high because the parallel connection flow of current varies and remains the same. No, it's not like that. Vishwa, check this one out. If the resistance of voltmeter is high because the parallel connection flow of current varies and resistance remains the same. This is exactly need take an answer. You need to be writing about the voltmeter and the negligible current because it's about most probably about the negligible current. Okay. Till now we are done. The resistance of voltmeter should be high so that less current passes through it. No, less current passes through it. Very good. But why less current should pass through it? To measure the current. To measure the current. Understand? So that we can understand that now it can measure the correct value. It can measure the correct value potential difference. Understood? Current value, correct value. Potential difference correct value. Thank you so much for rectifying it. Yeah. It can measure the correct value. But Beta, did you understood the presentation wise? Now is it very clear how we are going to present? Now next question, you need to draw it nicely and send me the drawing perfectly. And then I will tell it is correct or wrong. My question is, this question already came in board exam. So you prepare it nicely and solve. How was the session? You are learning nicely. Beta, we are going for 2 marks. Next question. Draw a schematic diagram of the electric circuit. Draw a schematic diagram of an electric circuit. Draw a schematic diagram of an electric circuit consisting of a battery Consisting of a battery of two cells, each of each of 1.5 volt. Understood? Three resistors, okay, 5 ohm, next 10 ohm and 15 ohm. Respectively, okay, and plug key. Okay, first time connected in series. Second one, all connected in parallel. Everyone, if you will finish, please kindly send me the most accurate diagram. Just draw it nicely with a pen. Please don't draw with pencil. It is very difficult for me. I requested you. What did I say? With pen you draw so that it will become easy for me. Ask doubt, but first draw and send me, please. I'm waiting for your drawing, please. Mobile is with me. I'm waiting how fast you can draw. Send me as fast as possible. After that, I will draw. डायग्राम नहीं आता तो क्या करा? See, battery symbols you need not to draw like that. See, look here. How to draw? First one I am drawing. Now see, how to make a very perfect drawing. Listen. Series connection. First, as a series connection, draw a symmetric diagram of AC consisting of battery of two cells. So first we will start like this. Normal. First one. We will draw like this. Got it? Two batteries are there. How much volt? 3 volts. 1.5 into 2. That is 3 volt. Then 2 are there. 1.5 into 3. That is 2 volt. After that, here one plus will be there and here one minus will be there. After this, what they told? One plug key. So key, any side taken item. This is the plug key. So this is key. After that, we will draw current direction I. Now they told that 3 resistors are there connected in series. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and then join it with what you call it. We can write here first 5 ohm, then 10 ohm, and then 50. So this is exactly the way to present no unwanted work. To the point I have done. This is first drawing. Here the positive terminal, I current flow, everything I indicated. Understand? For parallel connection, how I am going to draw? Yes, some students started sending me, Maha, just 1 minute, beta, I need to check Maha's paper, please. Super, Maha. Neat and well blessed. So bless you. Very nice. So now look here. This is coming as first. Understood. And this you do like this. Never do straight. Second will be like this. And third will be like this. So it will look very good. Then this is in series or parallel. Parallel connection. Then here one line, this, another line, this. Two batteries, two cells joining together making battery. 3 volt, done. Current direction I. This is 5 ohm. This is 10 ohm. And this is 15 ohm. Current direction will do like this. And here 1 plug. You can draw the arrows like this. Okay, how was? Did you got this point? How to go for it? Okay, are you understanding how to answer the questions? Did tell here how many questions we did? Did we get any unwanted questions? Any unwanted line we wrote? Or only one correct instead of getting correct? I will be correct. Later you know the writing part little difficult comes. Speaking correct, writing correct. That was, but she corrected me. So thank you so much. God bless you. Shamina. So now we will go for next question. This question is, clearly listen my question. This question came in CBSE 2019. Okay, everyone, if possible, just give me the answer. But how to attempt numericals? So how to attempt numericals? That is also important. Got it? Now, beta, are we ready for it? Get ready. Question is CBSE 2019. Set question. Solve this question. If the PD, that is potential difference, okay, good evening Vinay. If the potential difference across the two ends across the two ends of a conductor is of a conductor is 5 volt, done, and the current through it is 0.2 ampere, and the current through it is 0.2 ampere. Understood? Current through it is 0.2 ampere. What is the resistance? This is just what is the resistance. So this is the most easiest question. Nothing is there in the question. 2 mark question means it does not deserve the 2 mark content. Very small, cookie question. Try to solve this question. Try and answer the question as fast as possible, okay? Huh? Okay, you can send me personally. I'm watching also. I'm waiting. How much? I don't know. I'm going to solve. After solving only I can see. So now look at the potential difference across two ends of a conductor. So PD. Potential difference is given as 5 volt. Understood? Current is I is equal to 0.2 ampere. Ohm's law, P is equal to I R. Correct? By Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. V is 5, I is 0.2 into resistance is R. So R is equal to 5 by 0.2. Cancel, 0 will come. It will come 25 ohms. Therefore, resistance is 25 ohms. Correct. Did you understand? But did you saw how I solved? Many people they are not writing ohms law. But from where the formula came, we need to justify that. Okay, fine. We need to inform them that the formula is by ohms law. Got it? And this is coming as 0.25 ohms. Now, with the next question, get ready for it. Question is, are you all ready? Okay, 5 minutes more. Can I read? I'll start 12th class soon. Okay, so next question. I'm drawing something. Based on that, you have to respond. But before that, one question is there. Question is, define the term electrical resistivity of a material. Nobody is asking this question. But electrical resistivity. Define the term electrical resistivity. Electrical resistivity. So you need to define what is electrical resistivity. Nobody defined electrical resistivity. So resistivity, we know that resistivity will be equal to what? See, first in rough we write R is equal to rho L by A. So R, we can write rho, that is resistivity, is equal to R A by L. This is resistivity. Got it? This is resistivity, and how we are going to respond. How we are going to respond for resistivity answer, because they asked what is resistivity. So we will say that if A is equal to 1 square unit, understood? L will be 1 unit. We don't know what in all units we are writing, so L is equal to 1 unit. So resistivity will become equal to resistivity will be equal to R. Resistivity will be equal to R. Understood? So here, resistivity will be equal to R, and then you write resistivity of a material resistivity of a material is the resistance of a conductor resistance of a conductor. Resistivity of a material is resistance of a conductor. Understood? Resistance of a conductor. Resistivity of a material is what? It is the resistance of a conductor. When? Yes, when both length and area will be unity. Understood? It will be exactly unit coming as 1 unit. It is coming as 1 unit when we are taking it as. So conductor, so what we have written of a conductor of this material, understood, material whose length and whose L and A, area of cross section, both are unity. Length and area of cross section, both are unity. Understood. So length and area of cross section, both are unity. Both are unity. Check this one out. Understood. So I'm keeping the class still here. You go prepare. Blessing and other schools are also having examination. So I'm not going to take time. Maths, I'm going to I'm having some important class with 12. Okay.